Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Small World of Warcraft. To begin, set up the game board, placing the 250 victory coins nearby. Each player then selects a starting race and a unique special power combination from the 6 available pairs. Your goal is to conquer territories and accumulate the most victory coins over several rounds. This initial choice is crucial, as it defines your strategy for the first few turns. Once you have your race and power, your turn involves conquering territories. To take a region, you generally need 2 tokens, +1 for each existing token or mountain in that area. If you run out of tokens, you can use a reinforcement die for one last attempt. Strategically, you might decide to put your current race in decline, allowing you to select a fresh race and power combination on your subsequent turn, opening new tactical possibilities. Earning victory coins is how you win the game. At the end of each of your turns, you collect 1 victory coin for every region your active race controls. Even your races in decline continue to earn 1 coin per region they still occupy, so managing both is key. Your chosen special power will often grant additional benefits, such as bonus coins or reduced costs for conquering certain types of territories, significantly boosting your score. The game concludes after a set number of rounds, usually 8 to 10, depending on the player count. Once the final round is complete, all players tally their total victory coins. This includes coins from regions controlled by both their active and their declined races. The player who has accumulated the highest total number of victory coins at this point is then declared the undisputed winner of Small World of Warcraft. Good luck conquering Azeroth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.